If you look at Indian pickup market vis-a-vis, what has happened in the last 12 or 15 years or so. So what you see on the chart is what has happened in pickup market from 2001 to 2013. So if you see, consistently the market has grown. Started from 12,000 odd vehicles, which is 1,000 a month in maybe 2001. It has moved to almost 15-16,000 a month up to F13. So the industry in F13, when we ended the year in March, is about 1,90,000. So you can say close to 2 lakh vehicles. And what has been Mahindra's role in this industry is what I will just tell you. So we played a very, very important and significant part in this journey of pickup category growth. Right in 2003, we launched a product called Max Pickup. Then later on, we ramped up our product portfolio. In 2007, we came up with Bolero Pickup. And as we moved along in 2009, 10, 11, we launched Bolero Maxi Truck, which is a very successful product from House of Mahindra. And we also introduced a high-end pickup in our portfolio, which is Genio. All these years, for last 10, 12 years, I can say more than a decade, ever since the industry, pickup industry started growing in India from late 90s to early 2000 and to 2013, 14. Mahindra has been a very strong leader in this category. Even today, if I talk, we are today, if I have to say, on 3rd of October, our market share is 58% in the country. All these years, all these 10 years, 12 years that the industry has grown in India, it is still in its nascent stage as we see the industry. But we have been a very, very strong player, and we have been maintaining our leadership for over a decade now. And in the journey of leadership today, there is one more thing which is coming, for you. So we are a very strong leader in this category. So what a strong leader typically will do is something that I would like to dwell upon. Typically, it will partner with our customer. Whosoever is a very strong leader, like in pickup category, we are strong leaders. So we, in a way, partner with our customer. We understand their needs very well. We know what they want in these kind of vehicles, and we listen to these customers very, very hard. So we have a process in our place in our company where we keep having customer interactions. We have focus group. We have one-to-one interaction. And this is primarily done to understand, what is the evolving need of the customer. As we are staying in changing times post 2000, India has been undergoing a significant change in terms of demographics, in terms of infrastructure. So we listen to our customers very hard, and we take care of their evolving needs. And in this process, we figured out that the customers that we are catering to today are coming from varied backgrounds. The people who are consuming these kind of products, people who are buying these kind of pickup vehicles, they come from varied backgrounds. So they could be farmers who are having their own farm. They want to take their own produce to the mandi or to the nearest market, and they are using our vehicles. There are market load operators, as we typically call in our terms, person who is buying a vehicle, ferrying goods from point A to point B, earning money out of that vehicle. We typically define that customer as market load operator. So they are also a significant chunk who buy our vehicles. And builders, and especially in Andhra Pradesh, where a lot of infrastructure companies are there. Most of India's biggest infrastructure companies are from Hyderabad and Andhra Pradesh.